Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make stickers from photos on your iPhone or iPad. So the easiest way to do this is actually through your Photos application. So you want to open up your Photos app and you want to select the photo you want to make a sticker out of. It's best if the photo has a clear background like this. However, the iPhone does quite well even if there's a lot of action behind a photo what you want to make a sticker. So I'll show you the two differences. So once you have the photo up, you want to press and hold it, then let go and then select add to sticker. This will instantly add it to the stickers. You can also select add effects once the sticker's added. And then press done. So that's one sticker added, but I'll show you how even with a messy background it still works quite well. So here's a picture of my dog. I'm going to press and hold it, then press add sticker, and as you can see it works quite well even with a messy background. Then you can press add effects with this, and if you want any different effect you just press done. So that's how to make stickers from photos on your iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.